Hey guys, so we're taking a look at this 1994 Mitsubishi 3000 GT in this white color. Looks very nice with that. Let's crack it open. Gotta do this quick. So it's like a very nice casting. Just taking a look at it. Let's take a look at this car. I really love this very clear pearl white. Back is detailed too. No license plate. It says 3000 GT. The headlights. Really like the rims. Very thick casting too. Very nice beige interior. A little hair on it. Get that out. Still really like the Mitsubishi logo with these like kind of plastic headlights. Also a little side lights. So it's a really nice casting. Really like the wheels. I feel it's a good wheel choice. Pretty cool casting, honestly. I really like it a lot. I think it's pretty sick. I do have another 3000 GT in my collection in red, which is like unopened still. So yeah, really like. Oh, I didn't even notice. It says also 3000 GT at the bottom. This is Mitsubishi at the headlight right there. Thought that was pretty sick. So it's pretty big casting too. Kind of looks like this RX-7 sort of. I don't know if you could see it, but it kind of looks like it a little, but it's like not really. But I don't know, I think it's just because the car's white, but like still, it is pretty sick. Really nice. But yeah, I'll see you guys later, and yeah, have a nice day. See ya.